Did you know there were hidden gem products at Creativation 2024? Hey everybody, I'm Erin Reed from Erin Reed Makes, and I have the amazing privilege of getting to attend Creativation every year. And in 2024, there were some amazing new products that showed up. A couple of weeks ago, I put out a video that showcased all the new products that were in the new product showcase, meaning they were actually put in the new product showcase, hence the name New Product Showcase. So check out the video. Yeah, it's right there. Link is also down in the information section. But for those that were not in the new product showcase, these are the hidden gems. So there's a number of reasons why a company may choose to put their product not in the new product showcase, but still bring it to Creativation as a hidden gem, as I like to call it. Due to financial reasons, because it costs money to put in the new product showcase, it may have gotten released in 2023, so it may not have qualified. They weren't sure if it was going to be ready in time for the show, but they brought it anyway. Or it could be a new product that is new to that company, but not new to the entire industry. So without further ado, let's jump in and let me show you all the amazing hidden gems I found at Creativation 2024.
First up is Aall Create with their new Build-A-Scene washi tapes. These are a set of new washi tapes that you can use to create new fun build-a-scenes, and there are 24 new washi tapes that you can build scenes with. Next up is a Pear Blossom Press with their new Candlelight. Candlelights are perfect for light-up cards and scrapbook pages. Once you press the button, the light turns on for approximately 60 seconds or until you blow it out. You can also pick up both the candles and the little candle flames to help create your project. They have also released the world's best foam tape, which is a double thick foam tape that's tall enough to hide the battery units for all the lights. It's called best foam tape because it's repositionable at first, but becoming permanent within 24 hours. Next up is Catherine Pooler with her two new collections that she has released with Sizzix. One is the Resort Collection and the other is the Jungle Collection. They include embossing folders, dies, and stamps that pair beautifully with her wonderful blending inks, and that's such super cute designs that are perfect for the summer.
Now, I got the amazing privilege of going to Catherine Pooler's class of all of her releases that she had with Sizzix. So I got to create a couple of cards. This is one of the cards I got to create in that class. Look how cute this is. And I got to keep the stencil. Let me show you that. So this is one of her new layered stencils. It's all kinds of cool grid-like pieces that go together. Look at that. Look how cool that is. Those cool notches at the top. All the stencils have them because this was made specifically to go with the new stamping platform that Sizzix came out that also has a stencil accessory, so you can place the stencils down exactly how you want them with that little notch at the top. It was such a cool project. And a little fun fact about how she came up with the idea for both of her collections. I love these little fun stories. She was on a vacation down in Costa Rica and they were spending time at the pool, which is where she got the inspiration for her whole resort portion of the collection. And of course, they went into the jungle while in Costa Rica, and that is where the jungle portion, especially the monkeys, came from. I love those little nuggets of information about where the inspiration comes from when somebody creates a collection. It came from her vacation. That's the best thing ever.
Next is Eclectic with their new E6000 Premium Glue. The E6000 Premium forms a permanent bond to most difficult items such as most plastics used in 3D printing, polycarbonate, PVC, ABS, acrylics, polystyrene, fiberglass, wood, metal, fabric, ceramic, glass, cement, and clay. It is extremely flexible, withstands extreme temperatures, waterproof, dries clear, washer dryer safe, and it is permanent. Next up is Lisa Horton with her Ultimate 2 tool. This tool has been around for a little while, using a peg system to allow you to place your Lisa Horton stencils in place so they don't move around on you. But now she has come out with the rotating stamp and tool mat to go along with the Ultimate tool. It is crafted with solid corner feet, grid lines, and strategically positioned peg holes to allow this innovative tool to empower you to achieve flawless stamp patterns with effortless rotation capabilities. There's a dense foam mat that you place underneath the tool that ensures stability and support for the Ultimate tools during the stamping process. Next up is Chroma Paint with new colors of their Chroma Mural Paint, which is a light, fast, outdoor, water-resistant paint designed with the mural artist in mind. Their 20 new colors include a Smiley Face, Nacho, Pop, Vixen, Masquerade, Chill, Peacock, Neptune, Mint, T-Rex, Psychedelic, Fog, Techno Yellow Neon, Toxic Orange Neon, Sizzling Pink Neon, Screaming Green Neon, Encore Metallic, Backstage Pass Metallic, Pixie Dust Glitter Medium FX, and Disco Iridescent Medium FX. Next up is Barely Art with a few new products, including their Barely Art Cubies. The starter pack includes 1,248 total pieces of perfectly sized, extra strength, pre-cut squares and strips. Being double-sided foam tape can be used for multiple purposes, such as card making, crafting, scrapbooking, mounting, and so much more. These come in both polar, a white set, and also the shadow, which is the black foam. Next is the Clearly Craft Plastic. This is a crystal clear, top quality, double filmed PET sheets from Barely Art. This is perfect for all different types of arts and crafts, including cutting, stamping, and making your own stencils. You can also use it for creating card overlays, DIY box covers, customized shaker toppers, and so much more. And last but not least, the amazing Barely Art Precision Craft Glue comes in the mini, original, refill, and bundle pack, and it now comes with a PAT Pass seal of approval, which officially makes it photo safe. It always was, it just now finally has the seal of approval. Next up is Prima with their new Nature Academia collection. This collection came out about 3 to 4 weeks ago, and it is filled with so much whimsy and fun, with frogs with crowns and papers and embellishments, and of course all the beautiful Prima papers, flowers, die cuts, stickers, and so much more. If you're looking for a beautiful and whimsical collection from Prima, you look no further. This one is now available. And next up is Aitoh with their building origami kits. These kits are going to be released towards December, where you're learning how to create one simple fold and then learning how to glue the elements together to create fun characters from simple to complex. Next up is Sakura with a couple of new products. The first one being their new Jelly Roll UV pens. These are ideal for secret notes or transforming your drawings and your artwork. They dry clear and reveal glowing ink colors with ultraviolet light, and the kit comes with its own UV light. And next is the Jelly Roll retractable pens in Stardust, Ink Effects, and Metallic in a 3, 6, or 10 pack.
Sakura was super generous in allowing me to bring home a set of both the UV and also the retractable Jelly Roll pens. I still haven't taken them out of the package because I have been cherishing them. Something about keeping them in a package is just, I don't know, but I am going to be opening them and playing with them very, very soon. I was kind of waiting on this video to show you them in the package. Now I get to open them and have some fun.
Next up is Chavant with their Alien Clay. Alien Clay is a precision sculpting medium used for a variety of sculpting fabrication applications. It is one of the most versatile clays available to sculpt, brush on, trowel on, or to pour, allowing for quick buildup and sculpting perfect detail. Used for sculpting finely detailed miniatures or life-size projects, movie special effects to create monsters, props, spaceships and other models, medical models, cosplay, and so much more. You can store, melt, or pour the 10 easy-to-remove wedges in the heat-resistant reusable storage container. It is sculpting tool-friendly. Traditional wood, metal, and silicone clay tools are ideal for working with the fine detail and textures to the clay.
Did I tell you there were some pretty cool products here? No, we are not done. We are only partway through this video, but I did want to mention that not all of these products are available right now. Some of these products are released, and I do have links down in the information section, but some of these products are going to be coming out throughout the year of 2024. All right, let's get back to the fun products.
Next up is Golden with some brand new paint colors, and the first set is there's 20 new watercolors. Isandoline Yellow, P-Roll Orange, Diazo Scarlet, Ultramarine Pink Dark, Thalio Blue, Red Shade, Naples Yellow Deep, Benzimidazolone Burnt Orange, Pyroline Crimson, Brown Umber Natural, Payne's Gray Violet, Pyroline Violet, Cadmium Purple, Iridescent Copper, Interference Violet, Interference Red, Interference Blue, Interference Green, Interference Violet Green Shift, Interference Green Orange Shift, and Interference Green Blue Shift.
Okay, seriously, Golden, you had to pick the world's hardest few words. I mean, how in the world, how do you guys pronounce this? Because even after listening to the pronunciation for like 15 times, I still don't get it. Okay, orange. It's orange and yellow. No, I get the reason behind it, but I don't know how to pronounce these. Do you guys? Now we're getting to the whole gouache or gouache thing from the last video. Yeah, you came after me with that one. I know you're gonna come after me with this one.
There are also a few new colors of acrylic paints, and they are as follows: Azo Gold, Light Magenta, Light Ultramarine Blue, Light Thalio Blue, Titan Mars Pale, Fluorescent Yellow, Fluorescent Red, Fluorescent Pink, Fluorescent Magenta, and Fluorescent Green. Next up is Stencil 1 with their new makeup stencils. The rounded design of the stencil is perfect for the face, so it does not poke or prod you while you're applying the makeup to your face using the stencil to give a fun design. This is perfect for all ages and especially for Halloween. And next is Edding with their Manga Creative Set. The Manga Creative Set includes 4 acrylic markers that have been carefully selected to offer a diverse color range perfect for the manga fans. It also includes a black fine liner that can be used to draw fine lines, contours, and precise details. Your set includes 3 templates, 6 blank cards, and a booklet with step-by-step instructions. And there's also a QR code included in the booklet that allows you to get extras that can be downloaded, such as tips for drawing eyes, hair, and accessories.
Now, I've personally played with the edding, acrylic, and also the fine line markers, and they are wonderful. The 0.7 draw liner is what is in the manga kit, and it's perfect for those small little detailed applications. And it really is an amazing marker that comes with paint that colors beautifully. So if you're looking for a really cute set, I've not personally played with this particular set, but I can vouch for the fact that the acrylic markers and the draw liners are amazing.
Next up is Spectrum Noir with their Fan Art Like a Pro coloring kit. Each kit includes 10 premium dual tip art markers and carefully curated colors to faithfully recreate the heroes, villains, and creatures of the Wizarding World in these Harry Potter series. You also get 12 iconic officially licensed character designs on premium art paper in both black and gray lines. And if Harry Potter is not your fan, there's also a full DC collection. And if neither of those characters are your jam, there's also the Discovery kits, a variety of different illustrations you can color. Next is Crafter's Companion with their new Honeysuckle collection, which is a beautiful collection of papers, dies, stamps, and embossing folders. Next up is Spellbinders with a few new products, the first one being their 3D boss and in cut folders that are these beautiful 3-dimensional folders that emboss but also cut. They also have their new 3-dimensional seals, their wax seals that are coming out in some beautiful new shapes to go along with their sealed line that has been around for a little while. These beautiful new seals have a wide variety of different sentiments and pair perfectly with their wax beads. Next up is Arkon with a new mount that allows your phone to be magnetically attached while you are filming. This right now works only for iPhones, but there soon will be a sticker that is available for Android so you can use this magnetic application. Plus now Arkon mounts are 100% lifetime guaranteed.
So I've had a bunch of you ask, where did I get this shirt? Well, guess what? I created it. I made this design and it is now available. Click the links down below. You're gonna find a link for all of the amazing products that include this fun design. This is all of the amazing crafty and art supplies that I love, including paint and scissors and pencils, you name it. And I put them in fun, bright, beautiful colors in a rainbow order, and of course, with a heart, because we all love to create. So you can check it out down below. The link is down there. You can pick different colors and different styles for your t-shirts. It also includes a sweatshirt and then also an apron. So if you're interested in getting one of these fun shirts, just click the link down below and you can grab one for yourself. It'll be shipped right to you. All right, let's get back to the video.
Next up is Toss with 2 new designs for their 100% recycled tossable palettes. These are so brand new that they only brought them as prototypes that were 3D printed, but they are much larger and have a few more wells that are available for adding extra paint. And when you're done, all you need to do is toss them in the garbage. Next up is Aall with 30 new colors added to their current collection. The colors are Forget-Me-Not, Viridian, Lavender Jade, Woodland Phyllox, Wild Violet, Iris, Emerald, Shamrock, Sugar Pea, Green Bean, Loquat, Marigold, Almond, Chihuahua, Lioness, Dark Oak, Seashell, Conch, Orangutan, Morganite, Oyster, Peach Blossom, Raspberry, Cherry Blossom, Pink Lotus, Bougainvillea, Lily Magnolia, Sencha, Tree Frog, Matcha, Seafoam, and Eggshell.
Can you guess which one's my favorite? Anybody? Take a wild guess. Which one's my favorite color? Starts with a B.
Next up is Paper Rose with a few new collections, and the first one up is Wedding Blooms. This beautiful set of 12 by 12, 6 by 6. This collection is full of balloons and weddings and gorgeous doors, cupcakes, you name it, lots of florals and stripes. Beautiful for just about any types of collection. You can create so many wonderful projects with this collection. Another couple of collections are the Inky Color and the Inky Splash, beautiful watercolor and textures. Also in this collection are the embossed die cuts and cut aparts. They have a beautiful raised texture, a shimmer shine, and perfect for all your paper crafting projects.
Click.
And next up is Zebra with a couple of new products. The first one is their new two-tone mild liners. In each one of these mild liners, there are 2 different colors. So as you press and activate the colors, both come out. These are going to be available in open stock and also packs, and there's going to be 6 new colors that are dual toned. Next up is the Sarasa pens. These are in the vintage colors, and the barrel of the pen is the same as the ink color. And next up is Faber-Castell with a couple of new products. First up is the pop-up coloring kits. These coloring kits are quick and easy to assemble. They have 7 dual tip markers. They are an enjoyable adult coloring activity and they are suitable for all skill levels. All you have to do is color and then construct to create a really cool, fun 3D art project. They've also come out with the Artist Desktop Vacuum, which is compact and cordless, offering a clutter-free solution for maintaining a clean work surface. It has a portable 360-degree design, a one-touch push-button start, a nozzle and brush attachments. It has precise cleaning, cordless convenience, and it's practical and unique. Next up is the Crafters Workshop with their brand new stencils they released during Creativation 2024. There are some beautiful new 6x6 stencils and some wonderful geometric patterns, and they are also released in the 12x12 size. There are also a whole series of Aitoh 4-part layered stencils. I was playing with the lemon layered stencil, using the new stencil brushes to apply both ink and also the Crafters Workshop stencil butter into each of the layers.
I got to bring some of these amazing brushes home with you from the show, so you'll be seeing these showing up in some of the future videos that I get to do with the Crafters Workshop. These are truly beautiful brushes and I cannot wait to use them with my upcoming projects.
Next up is Picket Fences with their new mini paper pouncers. Last year they came out with the larger size of the paper pouncers, which apply ink to your papers by pouncing the ink through the stencil onto your paper. Now they come in a mini size, but they have also released a series of blank white ones and then ocean colored ones in both the large and the mini size.
Whew, that was a lot of fun hidden gems, right? There are so many amazing hidden gems that came from Creativation 2024. I can't even decide which one's my favorite. There are so many of them. They're all wonderful products and amazing new releases that just didn't make it into the new product showcase. Remember, some of these products are already released and the links are down in the information section, and some are still yet to come, some as late as the Christmas time frame. Don't forget to snag your t-shirt. That link is also down below if you love my fun design. I love it. It's just so much fun. It's the creative heart. You gotta love that, right? Because heart has a little art in it. Stay tuned to the series because there is more Creativation videos coming your way super soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see everybody later. Bye-bye.